How to connect the Google TV in your Wi-Fi network. This is a Astron TV model. Okay, first things you can do is click the gear icon or settings in your remote. And now you can see the settings option on the right side on your screen. And you'll have to do is go to settings or gear icon again. And now you can see here the settings. And okay, you'll have to do is go to network and internet. Okay, click this. And now you can see the available network here. Okay, for my example, I connect into Nalia Aberray. So okay, you'll have to do is click this. And now you can enter the password for this Nalia Aberray. Okay, enter the password. So okay guys, we have successfully connect the Wi-Fi network on this Nalia Aberray connection. Okay? So if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.